Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 4. Last time we have completed our unit number 5, that was environment, and today we are covering this unit from the workbook. So you have to do the thing that is to open your workbook from page number 16, and here the thing is to draw a habitat on page number 16, chapter number 5, that is environment. You have to draw a habitat. Habitats do not have to be big. Even a small habitat can host lots of species. Take this workbook to a park and find a piece of land about 3 meters, 3 by 3 meters. On these 2 pages, draw everything within that piece of land: small plants and trees, insects, birds, and other animals. If you can identify them, label them on your drawing, and also draw the land as you can, including holes that might house of animals, mounds, and other features of the landscape. Color everything in its true colors. In other words, color the grass green and the soil brown or red or gray. Got it? So the thing that you have to do is you have to draw a habitat over here on these pages. Clear? Select a place even outside of your house or inside of your house, and you have to draw in from the lawn, your lawn, and select a place of your terrace from where you can see some insects. If there are some plants, so you can draw the flower pots and plants. And if there are some sort of, if you have some pets, so you can also draw the picture having of 3 by 3 piece of land, means 3 meter long and 3 meter wide. So you can select that piece of land and you can draw the picture of the land over here. And the thing that you have to do, you also have to fill that with colors. Okay, this is your first one activity. And now come for the second. You have to choose the correct answer from the given. You have to circle the correct answer. Which of the following statement is not true about the diversity? What does diversity means? First you have to say what is diversity. What does diversity means, and which things that are not according to the diversity. Diversity means differences. The more differences in a habitat, the more types of animals and plants it can have living within it. Diversity is important. So you can see which definition is not according to this, which is not according to the diversity. If a habitat is diverse, animals and plants will be able to survive. This is true. So which you have to tell which is not true, which is false about the diversity. Clear? Which of the following statement is correct? Now here you have to tell which is the following statement is correct. And then the next all. After this is a game, that is conservation game. This is a fun game about the conservation. You will need some counters and a dice. It is a game for 2 or more people. So you can select a partner with you. So you can start from here. First of all, turn wise. If one person is taking his turn, so he will start from here. And on the next, you have planted some new trees. Move forward 4 spaces. Then you have to move 4 spaces. 1 2 3 4. This is the next person's turn. You have polluted the stream. Move back to 5 spaces. Then you have to move 5 spaces. 1 2 3 4 5. And the turn goes changes. Similarly, see whose turn came final, who wins the game at this point, and who is going good person from you. Clear? Turn wise, first turn is yours and the second one is for your partner. So step forward according to the given statements and then find who one is better than you, or you are better and the person is better. So come to the next page, that is natural resources or not. Do you remember what are the natural resources? Natural resources are the things that grow or created naturally without human help. Below are the number of objects. Tick ones that are natural resources, put a cross through the ones that are not natural resources. This one is natural resource, so you have to apply a mark of tick over here. This is not a natural resource, so you can make a cross over here, and similarly you have to do the all. Now come to the next page, that is number 1, column 1. Column 1 shows 5 natural resources, and second one shows how each may be used. Draw a line from each natural resources to its use. The clue below will help you. Here is the clue. You can take help from these clues. One natural resource can be worn by a person. Which resource can be worn by a person? Yes, it is gold, and it could be worn by person. Okay, you have to match these columns. The second one natural resource belongs on a plate. So which natural resource could be placed in a plate? Yeah, this one. Yes, fish could belong to a plate. Similarly, you have to do the others. Now come for second part, natural resources crossword. This is crossword, clear? So you have to read the statements from here. These are statements and these are clues or hints for across lines, and these are for downwards. So number 4, what would be in number 4? Resources that will not run out. Which resources cannot be run out? Yes, which resources? Obviously renewable resources that cannot run out. Yes, here you have to tell about the you have to write here renewable energy renewable. Number 6, look at the 6th statement. Dash can be used to make electricity, but it's non-renewable. Which things are non-renewable and are used to make electricity? One of them is, go for number 6 and think which thing can be used to make electricity and cannot be renewed. COAL, it's coal. Yes, coal can be used to make electricity, but it cannot be renewed. We have filled 2. Just see the third one also. The type of energy that comes from the sun. Which type of energy comes from the sun? Yes, can you guess? Try. Yes, solar energy. So where is the number 8? Here is the number 8. So here you have to write solar energy. Similarly, non-renewable energy resources found deep in the ground. Which are the non-renewable energy resources? And they are found very deeply in the ground. You have to go to downwards, go to the number 1. Just think. Yes, they are minerals. MINERALS. They are minerals. And the other crosswords you have to fill by yourself. So today we have covered our topic about environment. Which things are present in our environment? What is environment? What is diversity? Then we have studied about the conservation and we have drawn the habitats. We also learnt in this chapter renewable energy resources and non-renewable energy resources. And after that we had completed this chapter. So hope you got much from this chapter. You have learned many things from this chapter, and you are able to cover your worksheets or to attempt your papers.